Hello everybody. Today I want to show you your best friend when you are going to be a beginner doing any sewing project, or any person sewing need to have one of these. Now they call it a seam ripper, or they also call it an unpicker, and there are different sizes. This is a small one and this is a large one, and I would suggest you buy yourself a nice strong quality one, especially the type of work that you're doing, because sometimes you will be doing delicate work and sometimes you're going to be doing heavy duty items. Now a small scissors like this with a nice pointy end is also very good to unpick your work that you did wrong. And I like to use this little item as well to cut off my threads, or I just use it to unpick. Now when you're doing upcycling projects or recycling, buying thrift items, and you want to change it, this is going to be your best friend to use. Okay, so I will just show you what I am doing now with this little project to give you an idea. This was somebody else's item and I'm reusing the fabric. My plan is to make a bag, so just watch me as I go about. When you have like a seam, you can use it like this, okay? But when you're stuck sometimes, or you can use this item. This is also good to use if you want to take a button off and replace it with something else. This is also handy when you sew a buttonhole and you want to cut the middle part open. Now can you see the person made a mistake over here? Be very careful, this thing is very sharp. You can also unpick overlocking stitches if you want to alter your item that you bought from the shop. Then you have, sometimes you need to get rid of the overlocking stitch, so then this thing is going to be very handy. But like I said, we all need to use a seam ripper for our mistakes we did, because everybody makes mistakes, and if you don't have this item, then the sewing becomes a little bit unpleasant and even can become stressful. So make sure you buy yourself one of these. Thank you for watching everybody, and look out for my new video. I'm going to be making tote bags, lined ones, unlined ones. So see you soon again and stay blessed. Bye.